alias. And then we're going to use what's called a resident argument. Now, this is an argument of the load statement. When I say argument, I mean like an ingredient, so to speak, right? And basically, we would use this if the data should be loaded from a previously loaded table. So I know that sounds a little bit weird, but let me show you what I mean here. We're going to go towards the bottom of this section. So go underneath of all that stuff. I'm on page 59 right here. And I'm going to say gender count, no space, colon. We're going to say load. It doesn't have to be capital. I'm just kind of emphasizing that. And I'll drop down. Gender. By the way, as soon as I do GE, you might have noticed that it shows up. Hey, there's the field right there. I could either click on it or select it using tab, and that might save you a little bit of typing. Comma, enter. I'm going to say count. Oops, sorry, that was weird. I wasn't watching the screen there, sorry. Okay, I'm going to say count, open parentheses, close parentheses, as gender count. And then I'm going to go back between the open and close parentheses. So that's kind of key here. What does that mean, count? Well, basically with this one, it's pretty much what it sounds like. We're going to count the gender, but for each gender essentially here, right? How many of them are each? So we're going to say gender in between there, like so. And one thing I would point out, guys, no comma at the end of that one. It's the last field, so no comma. And here's the star of the show. You ready? Resident, space, employees, oops, employees, okay. And we'll drop down a line, and we're going to say group by, and that's going to be gender. Okay, so when we do the count here, that goes along with the group by part here. All right, now that's really not the star of the show, what they're trying to explain there. What they're really trying to show is this: resident employees. Yeah, still don't get it. Well, this is an important concept, and we see this quite a bit in the advanced class, but this is something that's showing up now. Okay, great. What's happening here? We loaded this table first, and that's important. It comes first in the load order. Notice the name, employees. After that is loaded, then we use this table to reference that first table. Resident means that it resides in memory already. If this table employees, it hasn't already been loaded up into memory, you'll get an error there, right? And then basically what we're doing is we're plucking out certain things like gender, right? And we're counting